Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to set Windows 10 to automatically free up space on your laptop or computer. So type storage in the search box and click on it. Enable Storage Sense. Storage Sense runs automatically when you're low on disk space. Now click on Change how we free up space automatically. Now click on the box under Run Storage Sense. Here you can select when to run Storage Sense. For example, every day, week, month, or when Windows decides. I will keep it on when Windows decides. Temporary files include leftover files after installing a new version, upgrade logs, and temporary Windows installation files. I want to delete temporary files, so I will keep it enabled. Now select how often you want to delete files in your recycle bin. I will select 14 days. I don't want to delete files in my download folder, so I will select Never. A simple way to set Windows 10 to automatically free up space on your laptop or computer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks for Windows 10. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.